Hey there, Tad Hargrave from Marketing for Hippies. I can't tell you how many times I hear the phrase, I don't know anything about marketing. That's not true. That's a spell that people put themselves under. So if you find yourself saying that, I don't know anything about marketing, stop saying it. You're putting yourself under a spell. It's a trance that you go into. And when you're under that trance, you forget everything you know about marketing. Again, you spent your whole life being marketed to by the most sophisticated corporations on the planet. Firsthand, I promise you, you know more about marketing than most people have ever lived from experiencing it. Second, you've had to share things with other people. In various ways, you've had to market things over your life, and sometimes that's gone well, so you can learn from that, or it hasn't gone well, and you can learn even more from that. This idea that we don't know anything about marketing is not true. You've also seen other people be marketed to, and you've seen what worked and what didn't work. So you know stuff from that as well. In the modern era, we all know a lot about marketing if we're willing to stop telling ourselves that we don't. That's my quick little video from today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Check out marketingforhippies.com. There's a ton of free stuff there. And feel free to subscribe, then hit the bell icon. It'll notify you about future videos. Thanks so much.